Sahih Al-Bukhari 3161, narrated Abu Hamad as-Sayyidi radiyallahu ta'ala anha. We accompanied the Prophet sallallaho alaihi in the Ghazwa of Tabouk, and the King of Allah presented a white mole and a clock as a gift to the Prophet sallallaho alaihi, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wrote to him a peace treaty allowing him to keep authority over his country. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3162, narrated Javeriya bin Qadama at-Tamimi radiyallahu ta'ala anha. We said to Umar bin al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Jo chief of the believers, advise us. He said, I advise you to fulfill Allah's convention made with the demise, as it is the convention of your Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the source of the livelihood of your dependents, i.e. the taxes from the demise. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3163, narrated Yahya bin Sa'id radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Once the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam called the Ansar in order to grant them part of the land of Bahrain, on that they said, No, by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will not accept it unless you grant a similar thing to our Quraysh brothers as well. He said, that will be theirs if Allah wishes. But when the Ansar persisted in their request, he said, after me you will see others given preference over you in this respect, in which case you should be patient till you meet me at the tank of Al-Kawthar. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.